Snap and share like never before with the VTech Kitty Buzz 3. Now, kids can own a smart device that lets them safely play games, browse websites, and capture and share photos and videos. Get closer with a 5-megapixel magnifying lens camera that lets you zoom way in. Or get creative with a live face filter. Message your cool photos and video creations to friends and family. With the free KittyCom chat app, you can send and receive messages with parent-approved contacts over Wi-Fi. Explore kid-friendly websites and play preloaded games or download more from the VTech Learning Lodge. Plus, with expandable storage, load the Kitty Buzz with your music, movies, and more so you can enjoy them anywhere. Give them the tech they want with the peace of mind you need with the Kitty Buzz 3 from VTech.